Hi everyone. We're doing 13% of
$1.50.
$1.50. And that's the tax where we live, right? So we're going to figure out exactly how much tax we would pay on $1.50.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you want to do this, Lily?
You split the $1.50 into $1.50.
Yeah, absolutely. So here's a dollar, right? And here is 50 cents. So now it's kind of easy. Like we can figure out 13% of a dollar pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
Because that's like 100 pennies.
Yeah.
And 13 per 100, right?
Yeah.
So
13.
yeah, that's pretty easy, hey? Okay, now this one's a little bit harder because we only have 50 cents, so it's going to be half of this. So I can easily figure out what half of a dime is. It's just
5 cents.
a nickel, yeah. And I can figure out what half of 2 cents is. It's just 1 cent. But we gotta take half of a cent.
So that would be like 6 cents, 6.5 cents.
Yeah, so half of 13 cents is 6.5 cents. But I gotta figure out what I should write here. So this I could write as 0.05. That's 5 cents, right? 0.01, that's 1 cent. But now I gotta write something for half of that. So it's gonna be 0.005. Okay, so let's add these things together. So we're gonna add 13 cents, right? And then we are going to add 5 cents, 0.05, and then another penny, so 0.01, sorry, and then plus 0.0005.
Yeah.
Or sorry, I got one extra. I got too busy with those zeros. 0.005. So when we added this all together, you can see it here, but it's kind of easy, right? It's just 13 cents, 14, right? 19. So how many cents is there all together there?
It seems like
13 cents plus you said 6.5 cents.
Yeah, so it would be 9.5 cents. 19.5 cents.
19.5 cents. So 19.5. That was great.
Thanks. Bye.
Hi everyone. Anna's going to help us figure out 13% of $1.50. And we pay 13% tax where we live, right? So we're going to figure out exactly what tax we would pay on $1.50. How do you want to figure this out?
Well, I want to split the 13 cents into 10 cents, 1 cent, 1 cent, and 1 cent.
Oh, you mean 13% into 10%? So you want to figure out 10% first. So 10% of $1.50. What is that, Anna? That's probably a little bit easy, right?
Yes, 15 cents.
15 cents. And I'm going to pull this out here because we're going to be dealing with decimals. So we're going to maybe have to think about what this looks like. So it's 15 cents. So 0.15 because you just moved that decimal over, right? And so I'm going to put 15 cents right here. So 1% of $1.50 is, what's that?
It's 1.5 cents.
Yeah, so you move this over once more, right? So we have 0.015, right? And so it's a penny. I don't have half pennies, but I'm going to draw it in here, okay? I'm going to draw it in as a half penny. And we got to take 3 of those, right? So this is a half penny. We'll imagine that this is like a copper color, okay? So we're going to grab 3 of those. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll pull this out again just so that people can see because we're going to have to add all of this up after, right? So again, you're going to imagine this is like half a penny. Like I've actually been able to cut one in half. All right, and we're going to do that once more.
You actually cut one in half. That's, you can't do that because police start coming for you.
Yeah, people might not like if I do that, even if it is in the terms of math, right?
And people don't use pennies anymore.
Yeah, we don't have them very much. Okay, so this is 13%, right? 10, 1, 1, 10, 1, 1, 1. So that's 13%. And so of $1.50 is, now again, look, this is kind of a funny thing to add, right? With all these different numbers in different places. So it's 15 cents, right? 16,
17, 18,
18.
19 and a half.
Okay, so it is 19 and a half cents. All right. And this is kind of cool too because it's like 15 cents. And then see the 15 cents. So there's the one, or there's the one. Then 5 cents plus 3 cents gives you that, well, it gives you 18 cents and then one more from there.
Mhm.
Okay, so 13% of $1.50 is 19 and a half cents. That was fantastic, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.